Twitter or X requires a phone number for account verification, but it does not allow you to verify your account using only an email address. However, you can verify your email address to link it with your account. First of all, you need to open your Twitter application or visit twitter.com if you're using your browser. After that, log into your account and tap on your profile picture icon that is in the top left corner of the screen. Once you do that, go to Settings and Support, and from the drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Now click on your account and then tap on Account Information. Tap on Email and make sure the correct email address is listed. If your email is not verified, X will send a verification email to your inbox. Open your email box and locate the email from Twitter and click the verification link inside and go through the process of verification. If you're wondering why X requires a phone number for verification, because it enhances security and ensures authenticity, and it also helps prevent spam and bots. While you cannot forego the phone number for verification, verifying your email confirms that your account is linked to a valid email address for recovery and notifications. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.